Subaru Sambar Dias Classic. While I have the engine and everything out, I'm going to replace the fuel filter and give you some kind of sense of where it is in case this is helpful. There's the filter, and above it, looking really rusty, is actually the fuel pump. It's just a rinky-dink little low volume, low pressure pump. But we're going to replace that, and that's the part number I think fits it. Yeah, that looks like a pretty good match for what was in there. So pop it in and hook the hose clamps up. Jackpot. I am interested in cutting this one open to see what was in there. Let's do that next. All right, I got it cut open. I can tell right now it's really not that bad. I'm going to tear that paper element out, but nowhere near as bad as the Suzuki Cappuccino that I did a few months ago. Not sure how well it's going to show up, but you can see a little bit of schmutz in the pleats, but not rusty like I had expected it to be.